Start by taking the time to soak your wreath to give it a good drink. You want to make sure every part of the wreath is being submerged under water. You can let your wreath soak overnight or for a couple of hours. All the wreaths are made from fresh cut greenery, but they've been packed and shipped to us, so giving them a good drink will make sure they stay hydrated for your entire holiday season. Make sure your wreath is completely dry before you begin decorating. Now you're going to want to fluff your wreath and make sure all the pieces are securely attached. Next, you'll want to grab your pre-made bow. Find the spot you want to place it on your wreath and look for the 2 pieces of wire on the back of the bow. You're going to wrap those 2 pieces around the wreath where you would like it placed. Now you may want to flip the wreath over so you can secure the bow. Take the 2 pieces of wire and twist them as tight to the frame as you can, like you would a twisty tie. You can trim off the wire, but also make sure to tuck in the ends back into the evergreen so they don't scratch the surface that you'll be hanging your wreath on. Now you can fluff the bow back out. All the ribbon we've used is wired ribbon, so it will bounce back to its original shape. Place the bow how you'd like it to be. In this next section, we'll show you how to attach the berries. If you've chosen the gold wreath option, you can skip ahead to how to attach those items. You're going to need a glue gun to attach your pieces. Start by just placing the berries where you'd like them. This is where you can be creative. We're not gluing just yet, so we can change our mind and switch things around however we like. Now that we know exactly where we want our berries, we can start to glue them on. Make sure you're adding plenty of the hot glue so that they'll be secure through the season. If you've chosen the gold wreath option, open up your glittery picks and fluff these as well. You can stretch out all the branches and pine cones and pieces so that we see as much of them as possible. Once you've fluffed them, we're going to cut it into 2 pieces. Choose about halfway down the stem and use wire cutters to trim them into 2 pieces. Repeat this process with the second branch you've received as well. Now you can begin to place your pieces into the wreath. Don't glue just yet. This will give us the opportunity to change our minds and play with the layout. Now that you're happy with your design, you can start to glue your pieces in to secure them. We want to make sure there's plenty of glue on there so that our wreath will withstand any weather while it's hanging outdoors the whole season. We do recommend that you place your wreath outdoors to be displayed. Our cooler temperatures will help keep your wreath fresh. If you choose to have your wreath indoors, you may want to spritz it or give it a drink every now and then to keep it fresh. Our warmer temperatures in our home cause it to dry out faster and drop needles. Now that your design is complete, hang it where you'll be most proud to show it off and sit back and enjoy your work. Thanks for designing with us. We'll see you next time.